Well, as you start your day, a mother and father in Frostproof say they're outraged right now after the trial for their son's accused killer is now delayed yet again, more than 4 years after his death.
Yeah, prosecutors say TJ Wiggins killed Brandon Rollins and 2 others in 2020 over a dispute about a truck engine. 10 Tampa Bay's Chris Hurst spoke to Rollins' parents, who say this morning they are frustrated as they are confused.
Very upset, trust me. I don't know what the feds got on that boy, but they got something on him.
All Brandon Rollins' parents, Dottie and Cyril, want is justice.
It's really aggravating because this should have already been finished and over with, but it's not.
More than 4 years ago, Rollins and 2 friends were gunned down while fishing near Frostproof.
This is the trigger man.
Just days later, TJ Wiggins, his girlfriend, and his brother were all arrested. Wiggins charged with capital murder. While the latter 2 took plea deals, Wiggins was supposed to go on trial last month, but the murder case has been repeatedly delayed because of a newer federal case on gun charges for the alleged murder weapon.
I go up here and they just push me off, you know. So they got to wait till the feds get done.
The federal case was filed last year, but only in the past week was the future for Dottie and Cyril spelled out in court. That the federal case comes before the state capital murder trial, pushing possible closure into 2025 or beyond.
Why did they wait almost 4 years right before our trial was fixing to start before they took him into federal custody?
Dottie and Cyril still want him to get the death penalty and brushed aside the thought of taking a lesser sentence if it ends the ordeal sooner.
No. As long as it takes, he's going to get the death penalty, because I'll tell you, neither one of those boys, they didn't get a chance to say, do I live or die?
Waiting for the justice they say Brandon deserves. In Frostproof, Chris Hurst, 10 Tampa Bay.
As for the federal trial for Wiggins, that could begin in October and is expected to take about a week. His next court date for his capital murder trial is not until late December.